Yes, everybody. Me take on through my Sunday dinner. Early me I cook your seat. So we can go up on the road but do some stuff afterwards. So today me I make some brown stew fish and some rice and peas. You know the rice are steamed done already. And me I cook some sweet corn. You know, me I cook some corn and stuff, you know. So when me soon done, I'm gonna come take a look for me pot. You see it? I'll be back in a few.
So Mr. Scott wants me to show you all his rice. See my rice are gone. So the corn are gone. So the corn is goning and the rice is goning. Chicken well seasoned. Well seasoned. He's gonna barbecue fry some chicken for the kids. And the fish in fry already. My brown stew it down. Yeah. So he'll be back to show you the finished product. So he's just here preparing his Barbie fry. Chicken's already fried. Now he's prepping it to be barbecued. You want to say something, Mr. Scott?
One day you're gonna get to taste all of this here. I'll get the recipe and everything.
So Mr. Scott wants me to show you guys this brown stew fish. All done. Corn, all done. The kids love corn. And the rice, done. And the kids, the paper plate we use because we have so much kids. It's easier. So the kids' food, share and everything. Princess Kalila here eating. Marquise's food. Khalil.
Cheese.
You always saying cheese. It's recording. Khalil's food.
Food.
And Alonzo.
Hi. Now, food.
And of course, little man. This is how he eats. If you give him a plate, you throw the plate off the high chair. So we just put his food on the You want a spoon? You want a spoon?
No.
But man got his spoon. Hey, little man. And Raheem is sleeping. Raheem is sleeping. So he's not here right now. But yeah, this is how he eats. We put it on the high chair so he eats off the high chair. If we give him a plate, you throw the plate off. And the mess already started, see? But yeah, we'll just clean after. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Bye, YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, or else you won't be able to get notified when we create our videos.
Or else you won't be what?
Or else you won't be able to see when we upload our videos.
Okay.
And hit the like button.
Taking the kids to get ice cream. Woo! Ice cream. We're gonna go to Baskin Robbins. So you know what flavors you guys want? I forgot my mask. Forgot my mask. So you guys know what you want? What flavor? What flavor do you want? Huh? Vanilla? What do you want? Ice cream? Huh?
Want ice cream? Want ice cream? I want ice cream.
Bon appetit.
Alrighty guys. Bye.